Hello, this is Bobby Miles from TexasSkidSteer.com showing you a New Holland L180 that we have for sale. I just want to take a walk around the machine and let you get a good look at it. Has auxiliary hydraulics to work all of your attachments. Has a smooth edge bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge. Kind of walk around it and let you get a general look at it. It does have the super boom for those who need to lift, high in the air, load dump trucks, things like that. So you're up there on the machine. Has super boom. Good, clean, solid machine. I'm going to turn the camera over so I can get in it and demonstrate it for you. Has hand and foot controls, just like Bobcat does. Has a nice clean interior. Just a real good, solid running, honest machine that we have for sale here at TexasSkidSteer.com. Thank you for watching.